This is the weather forecast video for Thursday, August the 25th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see a frontal system over the Great Lakes and into the Ohio Valley. You can see Hurricane Irene in the Bahamas, and some high pressure systems, one in the Dakotas moving south bringing cool air, and the one in Texas continuing to have hot air. Here's the watch warning map from midnight. You can see several severe thunderstorm and tornado watches east of the state, and a few other issues over the mountain states. Otherwise, the rest of the nation is quiet. But this isn't quiet here. It's Hurricane Irene, Category 3 storm, winds of 120 miles per hour. It's moving to the northwest at 12 miles per hour. Be moving through the Bahamas today and into later tonight. Here's the forecast track. Takes it up to near the Outer Banks of North Carolina Saturday evening and into New England Sunday evening, so that as a Category 1 or 2 hurricane, so it could be fairly devastating across the eastern seaboard. And the QPF chart shows heavy rain will be coming along with it. Amounts of 7 to 13 inches of rain possible in that area. Across the state here, rainfall amounts from maybe a tenth to a half an inch with some storms around here. Here's the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. today. You can see a bit of a heat ridge south of the state in New Mexico and Texas and Oklahoma, and the big Irene off the Florida coast. Here we'll see cooler, drier conditions, highs in the upper 70s to lower 80s with dew points in the upper 50s to lower 60s. All in all, comfortable day. Friday, we bring in a isolated chance, 20% or less, of a shower or storm, mainly in the afternoon and evening hours. By Saturday, high pressure is over southern Minnesota, but the main weather attention is on Irene, which will be nearing the Outer Banks of North Carolina. By Sunday, the GFS wants to push it a little further to the west, so it would be somewhere near New Jersey or maybe even heading toward New York City, which could be very devastating if that was to occur. By Monday, the remnant is now off into Quebec and in Canada, leaving behind, well, any damage that occurs, and some rainfall could be coming into the state. Here, on late Monday into Tuesday here, with a system that'll be finally be able to be moving in. Wednesday still be a chance, maybe for an isolated shower or storm. All in all, it'll be widely spaced, 20, maybe 30% chance at best. Week from today, you can see a trough over the Pacific Northwest, a bit of a ridge, including a 594 ridge over Kansas and Missouri. And with that, the storm system will still be to the west. Southerly winds, we could see some warmth as we move into the first day of September, and some scattered chances of a shower or thunderstorm. We move further into Voodoo, September the 5th. This would be Labor Day Monday. Bit of a trough moving through the Great Lakes states, a ridge over the desert southwest. And with that, a cold front, low pressure over James Bay with a trailing front that will be south and east of the state, with the high pressure coming in from Canada that may cool us off. And another tropical feature is possible over the Atlantic coast. And at the end of the forecast, September the 9th, a little bit of a trough over the northern part of the country, otherwise the main storm track over Canada. With that, no real big frontal systems about, and another possible tropical system here south of Cuba that could be interesting. Now here's the Friday football forecast. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.